Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see the energies. Energy update, August 16 to 31, 2026. General reading, pwede kayong makarelate. Pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Scorpio. Spiritual partnership, parang pareho to nung Cancerians. So, mga Scorpio, you will be partnering with someone. Pwedeng you are into spirituality, the esoteric, may mga esoteric practices, or you are into the occult arts. Someone will also help you through your spiritual journey. Financial discipline. Some of you, pagdating sa pera, mas magiging mahigpit. Oo. Pwedeng meron kayong goal na gusto nyo ma-achieve when it comes to savings. Your savings. And also, it's about management, no? ng inyong kaperahan. Na hindi porket marami kang pera, gagastos ka na. Self-love, focus on your self-love, self-care. Minsan kasi, hinahanap natin yung care na yan sa ibang tao. Bakit hindi manggaling yan dapat sa atin, di ba? Okay, overall energy. The moon. Wow. So some of you, Scorpio, maaring you might feel a bit emotional ngayong second half ng August. Minsan yung kahit wala ka namang problema, tapos biglang maiiyak ka na lang. Lalo na kung may pagka-empath ka. And meron ka napanood sa social media, tapos nakakaiyak yung video. Ganun. You might be sensitive with your emotions during this time. And also your instinct, your intuition. Pay attention to your dreams. Kasi maaring may mga spiritual messages sa iyong mga dreams. Your challenge, 7 of Wands. So as a challenge, ito yung paninindigan mo sa pinaniniwalaan mo. Okay? Whatever mantra or ano man yung pinaniniwalaan mong pananaw sa buhay, na kahit na meron mga taong kumo-question yan or pinakikialaman yan or hindi nag-agree sa'yo, you don't care. For as long as you believe in it, naniniwala ka doon. Now, your opportunity, the Queen of Cups. So, this is your creative downloads. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, you will also focus on yun nga, taking care of yourself, being more compassionate, and also your intuition mas lalong lalakas. Nga lang medyo expect nyo na medyo emotional. Now, your blessing is the Four of Pentacles. O yan, dahil meron kayong financial discipline, makikita nyo yung resulta ng pagiging disiplinado nyo sa pera. Meron kayong masisave na malaking halaga. Maaari ring magsastabilize ang inyong finances, kung ano yung kailangan yung pagkagastusan, meron kayong sapat na pera para dyan. But of course, hindi naman lahat, sa lahat ng oras ay gagastos ka. Ang focus mo ngayon makapag-ipon. At mabili mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo para sa sarili mo naman, hindi yung lagi na lang yung iba. You will also set boundaries. Kaperahan. 8 of Wands. May good news pagdating sa pera, may parating. Or merong good news sa trabaho. Halimbawa, kung kayo nag-a-apply sa work, meron kayong marireceive na message doon sa ina-applyan nyo. Maaring may mga travel opportunities na magbubukas sa inyong work, sa career ninyo. Now, your love life. Okay. Kailangan natin itong takpan at baka tayo may flag. Okay, kasi wala siyang something. So, sa love life, meron ditong completion. This can be, pwede itong ending of a relationship, pero in a good way. Alam mo yun, na parang meron kayong mutual decision na tapusin yung relationship na hindi kailangan masama yung loob nyo sa isa't isa. Or, this is about a realization na you need to focus more on your goals and your dreams instead of a relationship na hindi na rin beneficial. Start a revolution. Oh, ito yung ipaglalaban mo yung sarili mong pananaw. Hindi mo hahayaan na ikaw ay ma-take advantage ng ibang tao or ma-impluwensyahan ng ibang tao kasi may sarili kang paninindigan. So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.